In this section, we're going to explore policies. We're going to take a look at the principle of least privilege on the Google Cloud Platform, as well as auditing. Let's start off with an overview of policies. Policies are statements that enables us to define the type of access members have on cloud resources. And on the Google Cloud Platform, policies are required in order to grant roles to members. Simply put, a policy binds a list of members to a role. And on the Google Cloud Platform, policies are expressed using an identity and access management object. And by attaching these identity access management objects to resources, we're able to define access control constraints. Let's explore the principle of least privilege. The principle of least privilege is a Google Cloud best practice that dictates that resources on the Google Cloud, which includes services as well as users, should be granted only the permissions that are required for those resources and users to perform their role. This implies that administrators on the Google Cloud should ensure that roles being assigned to members include only the minimum set of permissions that are required by those members. From the point of view of virtual machine resources and applications, this is achieved by making sure that service accounts assigned to those virtual machines or applications have been assigned roles with minimum privileges. And this is very important because if an application or a service is compromised, the blast radius is contained. And from an auditing point of view, Google recommends the use of organizational policy constraints as well as the use of cloud audit logs to regularly audit organizations. Cloud audit logs can also be used to audit identity access management policy changes within a project. And as a best practice, it is recommended that audit logs are exported into cloud storage for long-term retention. And given the nature of the information captured within audit logs, it's important to safeguard those audit logs with identity access management policies. Identity and access management is a very important topic on the Google Cloud Platform, and for that matter, on any cloud platform. Later on, we're going to take a look at the concepts we've discussed, not only in this section on policies, but across the entire module on identity access management on the Google Cloud Console.